Hi, I'm Meredith Tomlinson, and I'm here with Kelton Moots of the LUX Salon in downtown Chillicothe. And we're here to talk to him about his salon, how he got started, and what it is he has to offer his clients. So thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
Tell me about LUX.
LUX is just a quiet little salon on 202 East Water Street here in Chillicothe. It is just me, and I just really like to focus on my clients one at a time.
It's beautiful. It's super cute. I love how quaint it is, and like you said, you really like the idea of just being one-on-one in a private space where people can come in and just feel very comfortable, right?
Yes, I love comfort. I love mental health. Anything to make my clients comfortable.
Absolutely.
They can come to me and talk about whatever they're going through, how their day is, home life, anything, and it just really is heartwarming to me that they can, come to me.
Absolutely. And tell me what inspired you to get into this industry and what motivates you through that?
My mom really inspired me.
Really?
She was a cosmetologist when I was growing up.
Aww.
And then quit to take care of her kids.
Okay.
And just watching her, I just fell in love with it. She still has a few people that she does at home.
Okay.
So I grew up watching her do this every 6 weeks.
Aww.
So I followed her steps.
That's wonderful. Well, your space is super cute, and I just love the aesthetics and everything you've done with it. It's in a great location. Is there anything that you want to share with the community that you offer specifically, like just services or anything like that?
I really love tape and extensions.
Okay.
And balayage.
Okay.
It is my favorite. I love effortless hair that you're not here every 6 weeks, getting it done, spending all that money. Just invest in it when you're here, and then it will last you so much longer.
Oh, I love that.
Thank you.
Well, Kelton, thank you so much for joining us today. Your space is beautiful. I highly recommend you guys check out LUX. And Kelton, I mean, how could you not want to hang out with you?
Thank you.
Your personality is just
Thank
infectious.
you so much.
So you guys check out LUX in downtown Chillicothe on Water Street. You won't be disappointed.